Hello guys and welcome to new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Canva website. So first, you will need just to watch the video to the end so you can have a good understanding on the Canva tool. So now, if we go to Canva and make sure that you are logged in with any account, either with Google or Facebook or whatever method of creation you used for signing up. After that, we will see here, this is our Canva home. So basically in this home, you have things that you want to try. So basically those are some ideas or some templates that you can start using to create your own design. Here you can see the navigation pane or the navigation bar where you can see your projects, etc. So basically here you will find all your projects that you have worked in. Here your personal projects that you don't share anyone with, and here you can find projects with whom they are shared with you. So let's go back to home, and basically here you will find templates. In templates you can find a variety of templates from like presentations, thumbnails, cards, gift cards. You can find everything here in Canva. So you can also start searching anything that you want. For example, this frame mockup, and here you can see those mockups if you want. You click on them. These ones are pro, means they need the premium version of Canva. And basically, let's search for a free one. So, for example, this one. I will just click on customize and I will start using the working panel of Canva. So basically, in the working panel, you have your main composition or your Canva, this one. You can add a page. This is called a Canva. And here you find the templates or the elements of these Canva. So here we have this text. You can just double click on it so you can start modifying it. You can see this one, this image is the background. Let's detach the background or the image from the background. So as you can see, this template was only a background and uh, pasted or related attached with this text. And also you can find a variety of templates on Canva. So for example, let's suppose that we want a CV. I will just type on CV. I will have this template, for example, customize. In here, you will find everything that you want to use on the CV. You can just delete this image, you find this frame, you add any image that you want. Let's here I will just replace it with another image. So basically you will need just to go to your media or uploaded images. I will just type here and it will reframe itself automatically with the frame. Then you can, of course, start editing what you like, and also the icons. You can delete the icons. You can add your own icons from the elements here on Canva. It provides a variety of elements here. So basically, there are shapes. Those are the recently used. There are graphics. You can click on see all, so you can find all graphics, etc. So after you finish your projects and working, you will need just to share and save your work. And either you can have a template link so you can share it with other people, they can work with you, or you can start downloading your project. Either it was a video, you can have it as a video, or as an image, or as a PDF if it was only a 2D or only an image print. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.